we are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. Together, they embark today on a new life, built on foundations of trust, compassion, and mutual respect.
Court, when I think about the past 6 years that we've spent together, the life we've built, the most consistent part has been you. Your devotion, your sincerity, your unwavering support and encouragement, but most importantly, your kindness. You truly are the most genuine person I've ever met in my life. I'm beyond grateful to call you mine.
Benton, as I reflect on what has led us here today, the traits that you embody and the values that you hold make me confident I have found the person I am and to spend the rest of my days with. There is nothing I love more than the life that we are creating together.
For the rest of our lives, I promise to be by your side through everything life throws at us. I promise to be the best man I can possibly be for you and for the family we hope to have one day. I love you with everything I have. I mean that. I've only been saying it for years, and it's the last time that I actually can. Court, you're the love of my life. I'm gonna make you my wife.
There's never been a day where I doubted your love for me. You make me feel like I'm the only girl in the room, and you treat me with the most respect, and I am proud to call you my husband. I cannot wait to be your wife. You are my ocean, and I am your mountain. I love doing life with you. I love you.
Benton and Courtney, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Searching through the stars, magic from afar. Look inside your soul, the magic's underneath.
I thank you, B, for all that you have done and continue to do for Courtney, for being her rock, for loving her and making her happy. You two are a perfect couple, and this story has been a beautiful thing to watch and be a part of.
No, but Courtney, I can definitely speak for everyone in my family when I say this. We all love you so much and couldn't be happier you are marrying my brother and that he was able to find someone as perfect for him as you. So with that being said, will everyone please raise their glass? And cheers to the newlyweds. Love you guys.
Today is the day I've been looking forward to with so much joy and a hint of disbelief that my little sister is all grown up and getting married. Courtney and B, I think I can speak for everyone here when I say we love watching you do life together and we can't wait to see what amazing things you'll do in this next chapter. Can everyone please raise your glass with me to celebrate the newest Mr. and Mrs. King? L'chaim.